soon as lap 18 is when the pit road is open to the end of the race. So keep an eye on that window over 1 6.
Here comes the field. Turn number 3 getting ready for the drop. The green flag at the start of the first Pocono Mountain 125. 50 laps, taking up a total distance of 125 miles here today. Race truck already on pit road day. Gold center Elliott Fowler in the outfield.
Of Casey Kane and Austin Dillon, the root and Gouget already making contact.
Oh! Whoa! There you go, Rick! Yeah!
It's loose. Does not collect anybody else, but makes a wild slide.
I knew it!
Caution flag waved already for trouble in our third run. About a half a minute, 4 wide there, back in. Flare out into double wide, 3 wide, 4 wide formation. That accident happened mid-pack. Jason White got turned around. That crossways about mid-pack. Half the field was bearing down on him. Nobody else collected. Did not even